welcome to a brand new video. Today is going to be an oldie but goodie, and if you remember the OG makeup favorites videos, the monthly favorite videos, well, I'm filming one today and I'm very excited. Now, these are products that I've been loving during the summertime, during the hot climate. So you can expect to be very minimalistic, because when it's hot and when it's humid, you don't wear a lot of makeup, let's be honest. So these are just some of my key products I've been loving, with some newbies that I've been loving maybe this month. But without further ado, I want to go through it quickly and share with you what I've been loving. Starting off strong is skincare. Now, skincare, I did change up my skincare this summertime, and because I have been a fan of watching TikTok, even though I do prefer long form content, TikTok lives is where you need to be at, and especially made by Mitchell. Mitchell is a makeup artist. I used to watch him on YouTube and I love his brand, and obviously it was bit hard to get these, but now they're in Boots, so that's a good thing, even though I'm not in the UK. So I did grab some of his skincare products. I did want the toner. I didn't find it available where I got these from, but I did grab his Keen Screen moisturizer and the Eye Fly Sky High eye cream, and these have been my ride or die all throughout summer. My skin has felt amazing. The deals that he does all over that TikTok platform is insane with his brand. His brand's amazing. I want to grab his curve cases. I do have one of the eyeliner sets. Let me just double check. I have yet to use it. I did get it for my kit. Color case. I do have the essential color case that I did get for my kit, which I have yet to use. But the skin preps, these are made for makeup artistry or anyone in general. Great for teens as well. The whatever is in here, it's great. I love that they come in big sizes as well. Like, where are you going to find, is it 70 ml? 70 ml of eye cream. Where are you going to find this? Now, you don't need a lot. You can see I really used a little bit. And this is 130 ml of moisturizer. You can see I don't use a lot of moisturizer, but it's amazing. It's great for all skin types. Again, I am actually thinking of depotting some of this and putting it in my kit, as well as the eye cream, because this for all skin types is amazing. I love it, swear by it. My skin has not felt better than it has been since using this, and I recommend it. And I do want to get the toner. I know he has like a skincare routine and a skin prep kit that you can buy, but again, I have to like either ask family members to maybe try and get it off TikTok because it's cheaper, and there's always something going on with his lives. They're amazing. I love Mitchell. I love Mitchell compared to other brands because he does a lot of like masterclasses in a way. When he's on live, he shows the products, he shows you how to use them, and they're amazing. And if you haven't tried Made by Mitchell, you need to go try his brand. And sticking on the skincare kind of thing, this is another product that you guys need to try. This is the Embryolisse Light Cream Concentrate. This is a multifunctional moisturizer. You don't need to use this every day. This is moisturizer that you kind of use once every now and again, and it is a staple in my makeup kit. So basically, I'm out of breath, I need to breathe. Basically, this is a moisturizing cream, a makeup base, a moisturizing mask, and a makeup removal milk all in one. I use this when I'm very dehydrated, and normally I tend to use this once every maybe 2 weeks, once every 3 weeks, when I feel like my skin needs a bit of extra plump, I would say. This is mainly used for, I would say, makeup applications. This is great for skin prep when you have a client. If you're a makeup artist, this is amazing. It is good for all skin types if I'm not mistaken, but there is another version that is good for oily skin. I do have combination skin, so this works really well for me. But yes, I love this. I swear by it. It's not a daily use moisturizer. It is more of that kind of moisturizer when you need a bit of plump and you're dehydrated. This is great for makeup artistry, as I said. If you have someone on your chair that is really dehydrated, this is the product that you need. Okay, so moving on to some body care products, because I really want to mention them. So Body Shop each year comes out with their pumpkin range. I can't not mention this. Last year I didn't manage to grab it, but this year I made sure to go when it came out. I think Malta's the first one I've seen that has come out with it really early. This came out in the beginning of September, which was crazy for me, and it's pumpkin spice. Normally I know it's vanilla pumpkin or spiced vanilla pumpkin something. This year it's just straight up pumpkin spice. It smells amazing, I love it, and I had to add it to my favorites because I've been loving getting into the autumnal scents and everything again. When you come into September, October, you know it's cozy season, even though Malta we don't really see that much cozy season, but you know what I mean. When you see the bit of rain, which is very rare, but when you see it, it's like, yay, we're going into cozy season. We need this. And you guys, it smells amazing. I think there was only 2 products in the range this time, which is the shower cream and the body butter. I didn't pick up the body butter, I just straight up got my favorite body butter in a small version, and this is the Shea body butter. I love the Shea body butter. It is a lifesaver when it comes to bruising. I bruise very easy. If you see my legs, it's like I've been tortured, literally. The amount of bruises I get on my legs, I bump so easily, I'm so clumsy, and if I don't have this around, those bruises stay on my legs and body for so long. So I always try to make sure I have one of these around, and I did get a small one just to be able to put it in my bag because handy to keep yourself moisturized. Okay, next item is this gorgeous concealer. I'm actually wearing this as well today. This is the HMB Soft Focus Airbrush Concealer. I do have 2 at the moment. I have the SF 1.5W, which I use personally, but I also have, let me just double check this, the SF1W. I do want to grab a couple more shades of these for my kit because I love this concealer. This concealer is amazing. HMB is a UK small business brand, and they come out with their most amazing products. They have the new Bolt Balm. Well, no, that's made by Mitchell. They have the most beautiful bronzing balms and blush balms at the moment, and they're so dewy. I can't wait to get my hands on them. But normally I tend to wait for like October, November, Black Friday, you know what I mean, and just add everything to my cart. Normally there's a really good percentage, and grab what I can, especially for my makeup artistry kit during that time. So at the moment we're saving up to be able to grab what I need during Black Friday. So this is something I'm definitely going to be getting again. Moving on to another made by Mitchell, because I can't not talk about his blushes. These are God sent. These are amazing. I do have 2 of these, and this one is the one I'm wearing right now. This is Shy Boy. It's Mitchell's favorite shade, and it is gorgeous. It's a lovely, I would call it like a nude mauve pink. Gorgeous on the cheek, probably really gorgeous on the lips. I have yet to try it on the lips, and these are amazing. They blend so easily, so effortlessly. And if I'm not wearing this one, I do have a coral one. Let me show you quickly why it's right next to me, and it's Peach Sugar. So if I put them side by side, you can see it's got a bit more peach to it. They're gorgeous, they're amazing. If you've never tried the blushes from Made by Mitchell, you're missing out, and I think you should go grab one as soon as you can, especially with the curve cases. I'm dying to get my hands on the curve cases. I need them for my kit, I need them for myself, and yeah, I think I'm gonna either have to wait till I go to England or grab someone to get me them when they're on offer on Boots. Probably the latter, because that's probably easier, and we can get my husband's uncle to get them for me. Yeah. Okay, next up is the bronzer, cream bronzer I have on at the moment, and I just really love it. I know they're reformulated recently, but they are the Pink Honey BFF bronzing face frosting. This is in cookie butter and I really love this. I do have 2 of these. I did get one for my kit and this is my personal one, and it's so easy, so buttery, so easy to glide on the skin. Really nice, lovely to blend. I love this. It gives you that sun-kissed look, perfect for my skin tone. I do have another shade, Fudge Glaze, if I'm not mistaken. Again, they've changed packaging and I'm not sure they reformulated the actual product itself, but I know they just relaunched yesterday, so within the end of September. I know they just relaunched and they've launched about 36 new shades. But yeah, I do like the product itself as for me on my skin tone. And yeah, I do want to try more cream bronzers because I feel like the cream bronzers are the way to go under your powder bronzers. And there's also Jordana Tisha that has just come out with her reformulated bronzers. It's a bronzer and a cream, which I'm dying to try. And yeah, there's so many new products at the moment that have come out that I really want to try, but we'll see which one we'll go for next. Okay guys, this one, I don't know why it took so long to get on the bandwagon. Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Pound Cake. Why did I take so long to grab this and use it? Like, I have it on at the moment. It's amazing. The color is amazing. There's loads of colors to choose from. Actually, when I went to Sicily, the Sephora in Sicily, it was empty, so I couldn't really see the shades. For some reason there was no like testers out, and yeah, I had to open the drawer at the bottom. Kind of got in trouble because I opened the drawer, but I just wanted to see what the colors look like. Pound Cake, you have to actually get it from the back. This was not out, so I'm guessing this is so popular that they probably either steal this theft, I don't know. This was not out, so I wasn't sure if they even had it. But there was like a translucent one which I might pick up for my kit as well. This is a gorgeous color for the kit, and I think they like to use the Blossom, is it Blossom, the pink one as well, for which is very popular. But I do want to try out some more of these. This powder is amazing. Obviously there's the new hype on the new Huda foundation as well, which I'm not sure if I want to try it or not. It is on the radar, but this, amazing, 10 out of 10, definitely recommend it. Coming to the end of the favorites, guys, and it's lips. So what I currently have on today is MAC lip liner in Soar blended out with a P. Louise color in here. Now P. Louise has the most amazing lipstick palettes. Now honestly, if you've never tried the lipstick palettes, please go ahead and try them. They are so creamy. Like this one, oh, I'm currently wearing this shade over here. You can see that I have only really touched 2 shades in here, really. Yeah, I like the pink side, so this is what I have on in the middle, and I've actually tried this one as well. I just dabbed into this and I'm constantly using the same 2 colors. I need to try the other colors because I think the other colors are more browny, where I'm a bit more pinky. And we're currently waiting on the next P. Louise Body Box, which has, if I'm not mistaken, more lip palette lipsticks, and these are really good for your makeup kit. They're very creamy, very long lasting, and they are amazing, guys. If you have not tried P. Louise lipstick palettes, please go and get them. I have yet to try her actual lipstick bullets because I probably think that'd be the same kind of texture. But these, oh my god, are amazing. So creamy, so easy and effortlessly to use with a lip brush. And obviously that's what I have on at the moment, followed by P. Louise lip oil. This one is Peach Please in a peach. I just have it on at the moment. I love this kind of look. Lip liner, lipstick and a lip oil. You can obviously use a gloss as well. Looks nice, looks great, makes you look dolled up, and it's more of a pinky tone today. That's what I have on at the moment. But yeah, so these normally come together in a little, I wouldn't say juice box, but it kind of looks like a juice box. So it's the Bad Bee juice boxes. So you get a lip oil and a conditioner. These always come together. And then there's also the Juicy Drip. Yeah, Juicy Drip. I had to check over there because I know they're up there. So there's the Juicy Drip and the Bad Bees. These are amazing. You can get 3 for £25. Amazing deals. I love these. They're amazing. This is great to have on your keychains if you've never had one. Loads of scents to choose from. Can't complain. I love these. I have so many, and I always buy more for friends and family because they're really cute gifts and they're really good, and you can't go wrong with a lip product. So that's all my favorites that I've actually been loving during summertime and currently. And yeah, if you want to see more of these favorites, do let me know down below in the comments. Maybe we can try and do this, I wouldn't say monthly, maybe quarterly. That could be an idea. But yeah, I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.